Hello all, this is Sajid from Cinema Glitz. Today we are going to review Marvel's Doctor Strange by Scott Derrickson. Marvel's Doctor Strange follows the story of Dr. Stephen Strange, who after a tragic accident is in a state where all the doctors give up to treat him, but he seeks to learn mystical powers and becomes an intermediate between the real world and beyond it. What happens following that forms the crux of the story, directed by Scott Derrickson. When it comes to Marvel's movies, they have a vast universe, which would be going for generations together. Still, they wouldn't run out of superheroes. And one among them, which has recently surfaced from their comic universe, is Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange is not a born superhero. He learns to become one, and what happens forms a vast and a mystical movie which definitely blows everyone's sense in every manner possible. For instance, when the movie starts, the very beginning scene just takes you into a dimension which you have never seen before on screen and just blows your mind away at that instant. And then the movie slowly, gradually establishes the character and the methods Doctor Strange adapts to go ahead and let down his ego and move ahead into the mystical world becomes a very strong point of the film. The film has a simple and straight story to say, and the way it becomes extraordinary, what makes it more extraordinary is the visuals, the way it was shot. The movie has a very vast screen space which the regular screens would not do justice, and that's the reason we have a format called IMAX. IMAX just takes you to a total different dimension which makes you feel that you're just looking through your balcony or a window. It's as real as that it gets. As the movie forwards, it just takes you deeper into it with an amazing performance by Benedict Cumberbatch and Tilda Swinton and Chiwetel Ejiofor. These three characters form a really good trio who makes and holds the films together throughout. And then there is a supporting role by Ben Wanton and Rachel McAdams, who make a good support cast into the film. Benedict brings a great character to Doctor Strange, and he's as arrogant as another counterpart of Marvel Cinematic Universe, which is Tony Stark. And I really can't wait to see these two share the screen space, which would be happening in the upcoming Marvel movies. And that could be any of the Avengers, or it could be anything. Any of the upcoming Marvel movies, when we put Tony Stark and Stephen Strange together, that would be a great combination the fans could expect. Benedict is been born and fixed to play Doctor Strange. He fits the attire so well that you start to believe and experience the mystical power which Doctor Strange brings out after the transformation. And as I was talking about IMAX, mostly, even in the Hollywood, IMAX is something which goes for 5 minutes or 10 minutes of footage in the entire film. But this film has almost an hour of IMAX footage, which was converted specially for this film. And that definitely makes it worthwhile while you're watching it on the big screen. And Ben Davis' cinematography was edgy. Wyatt and Sabrina did a great job in editing this film and keeping it crisp for 115 minutes. How can we forget the Marvel's tradition of post-credit scenes? And in this you have two, one after the main credits and one after the entire rolling credits. Please do not miss it, and you definitely have a treat in the name of upcoming sequels. A verdict for this movie would be Scott Derrickson introduced a great and a strong character to the cinematic universe of Marvel, and that is Benedict Cumberbatch as Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange goes beyond the visuals of Inception. Yeah, Inception, I agree, was something which created a benchmark, and this would definitely precede and in fact would exceed the visual expectations of any film buff or movie buff across the globe. Definitely, and most definitely worth a watch. And if you could spend a little and watch it on IMAX, trust me, you wouldn't regret spending that extra bucks. Our rating for Doctor Strange would be 4 on 5. Doctor Strange is a wondrous mix of kaleidoscopic visuals which transports you to a different dimension, iced with Benedict Cumberbatch's performance. If you have watched Doctor Strange, please do leave your comments in the below section. Do like us, share, and most definitely subscribe to our channel. This is Sajid signing off until the next video review.